New just listed home, 11200 102nd Avenue, Unit 44, Seminole, Florida by Jason Patino from the military veteran team. Discover this charming one-bedroom, one-bathroom condo in Seminole, offering 985 square feet of stylish living space. Nestled in the desirable Twin Oaks community, this first-floor unit features a spacious living area, a modern kitchen, and a bathroom designed with comfort in mind. The primary bedroom is a peaceful heaven featuring a spacious walk-in closet. Enjoy a private covered porch, assigned parking, and pet-friendly policies. With durable construction, low-maintenance living, and rental flexibility, this serene retreat is perfect for homeowners or investors. Don't miss this exceptional opportunity.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.